Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are excited for today's clothing haul, which is, you know, one of my favorite things to do in the channel besides doing sneaker unboxings, which by the way, I do have a few sneakers on the way, so just stay tuned to the channel. Remember, sneakers do take a little bit longer to arrive than clothes, but nonetheless they are on their way. Today we are in a different area in my studio room. I didn't feel like filming in the, you know, regular space that I have created for my videos. I actually was here editing an Instagram reel, so I just decided to move the camera here and that's it. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and do, because all the clothes that I will be showing on today's video will be on Instagram. I will be, you know, doing reels on how I would style each of the pieces. I also posted a reel unboxing everything you have seen or will see on this video. So just so you know, you guys are a little bit late to this unboxing because Instagram saw it first. And to be honest, that is kind of the way that it's going to be from now on. Any products, any sneakers, clothes, whatever it is that arrives to my house will be unboxed on Instagram first and then on YouTube second. So if you guys want to see things first, again, go follow my Instagram. So for today, we are going to do the first half of my Boohooman order, just because the second half has not arrived. So let's go ahead and see what I, you know, have for today's video. Alrighty, so as I said, Instagram saw it first, so that's why all these pieces don't have the plastic anymore, but that is totally fine. I'll go ahead and put the stack here and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so for the first item, I went ahead and picked up this hoodie because of, I don't know, the style and the colors in my opinion were, you know, something I wanted to have in my wardrobe. So here we have the official logo on the front, and then on the back logo is what sold me. So right here we have this tennis club department logo and then official Boohooman at the bottom. And in my opinion, this green with this white, I'm sorry, this green with this white, I would say goes very, very well together. I'm coughing because I don't know, I just felt something just went in my throat. Hold on. Now for the second piece, we have this super nice mustard yellow oversized hoodie. This one right here is this size medium and is massive, okay, but it's totally fine. Usually with the wash it just shrinks a little bit. And what I like is that the logos on the hoodie are actually 3M, so my opinion, that's pretty nice. And with the price, I think I paid like 22 bucks for this hoodie, which the quality, I would say the quality is really, really nice. And the fact that this is 3M is super cool. So now this right here is actually a set. So I got the hoodie, and then I actually got the sweatpants that match the hoodie. Now, when I open these on my Instagram reel, you guys may notice my reaction because it had a lot, and still has a lot of lint all over the front part. At least on the left leg, it has a lot of lint all over it. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and clean it. And I don't understand why it did, but I was a little bit disappointed, you know, that QC didn't catch that. So Boohooman, just be careful when you package your stuff, you know. This entire haul was about $230 for me. So it was, you know, quite a little bit of money. And you know, they should be careful with their stuff. Now the next item was a pair of jeans, or is a pair of jeans that I saw on Gordon Oliver's Instagram. He actually styled these, and I personally like them, so I went ahead and copped. I think these jeans were about 20 bucks or so, and the quality, again, very nice, super heavy materials. And these are more like on the loose fit, which is what's trending nowadays. This right here is a size 30-30, in case you guys are wondering. That's my true size. And they are this they're like more of a pastel orange, or kind of like a salmon color. I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but that's kind of what it looks like in person, kind of like a very faded orange color. And I think I'll be able to style these in a pretty cool way, or just a simple way, let the jeans do the talking. Now for the last clothing item that we have for this haul is this Harrington jacket. Now I did not read online what kind of material this was, but this is more like feels more like a nylon material, which I don't like so much, but then again, it doesn't look like it's made out of that material. And unfortunately, this thing has a very strong cigarette smell. Again, QC with Boohooman, not the best, at least for this haul that I made. I have purchased from them multiple times, and I've never had complaints, but this has a very, very strong smell, like tobacco. Yeah. Yep, cigarettes all over it. So this one right here is a size small, and I'm sorry you guys, I just got dizzy. I don't like the cigarette smell. It actually causes me migraines, but it's all good. So it will fit me fine. This is a size small. I actually got a size small instead of medium because I don't want this to be a piece that necessarily allows me to wear a hoodie underneath. These are more for me when I go out, to a nice dinner and whatnot. Now for the last piece of this haul, we have a necklace, which again, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I actually thought the necklace was going to be a bit more like on the thin side, like the chain. I thought it was going to be a bit thinner, but it's a very chunky chain and has this like bling bling at the bottom, which that I didn't know, and that's actually the why I got this chain, like this thing right here. I just didn't think it was gonna be this thick. This actually looks more like a wallet chain instead of like a necklace. So I'm not the biggest fan of this. So we'll see what we're gonna do with this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I'm sorry if I kind of lost energy at the very end, but all the weird smells on the garments sometimes do make me sick. So I think that's the case right now. Man, I'm dying over here. Cody, no. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.